Surah Yasin is not just a chapter, it is a message sent through Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a message built on three powerful truths: Tawheed, oneness of Allah the First. What if one surah could wake your heart from sleep? What if the answers you're searching for about life, about death, about your purpose were already revealed? This is not just a recitation. This is a warning. This is hope. This is Surah Yasin, the mystery and the message. Tawheed, oneness of Allah, the first and greatest message. There is only one creator, one sustainer, one who controls everything. Allah says, إِنَّمَا أَمْرُهُ إِذَا أَرَادَ شَيْئًا أَنْ يَقُولَ لَهُ كُنْ فَيَكُونَ. When He wills something, He only says, be, and it is. No partners, no equals, no one deserves worship except